He dropped that number.
Fucking trying to kill me, trying to stab me with a fucking box cutter. You guys can't be using the bad words. Dude, I don't know what this is because this is sick. It's from JNT Performance, which is in Australia. They're my friends, right? My homies. They follow me on Instagram. I follow them. But they make badass fucking velocity stacks. So they made the velocity stacks on the ITV side.
Open it up.
Yeah, I don't know what they sent you though. They just sent me up out of the blue and said that they were gonna hit us up with a care package. I really don't know what it is. That's fucking super fucking nice and their work is super fucking dope. Yeah, they literally fucking make they make some badass shit over there. There's some bad dudes. But I have no idea what this is. We gotta sit with some t-shirts.
Sick.
Oh shit. Dude. Check this out. This is their fucking donuts. People don't even have this in the United States, which I don't know why, because this is bad as fuck. But this goes hard. Look at this shit, dude. So like, if you want a tight radius bend, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to shout them out on this video. But with cars that are like aluminum 4-inch is like, you know, the bend is like crazy, like, you know, because they can't make it super tight. So like a 4-inch aluminum bend would be like, you know, a 4-inch radius.
Yeah.
So the thing to go from 90, point A to point B is like, you know, this long. So what they do is this is the first time I've ever even seen this in person. So this is a donut, right? This is an aluminum donut. And what you do is you weld this together, so it's gonna steam right here. And then from here you can cut a pipe out of it, right? Yeah. So imagine like if you, like on the car, it's gonna be like the intake, the throttle body is by the radiator support, and it needs to go real tight in this 4-inch. This is what you cut it out of. This is bad. So we need to get that little janky bandsaw working. So
Let's see what up.
dude, damn.
Stocks are going up. Pretty interesting.
Dude, it's crazy. They just sent me this stuff out of the blue. That's wild. Dude, this is so dope. It's crazy, like, these guys are fucking... Let's go show them much. Okay, so basically, the car is dirty, right? It looks like crap, but 2JZ, GE, ITB, all motor, and JNT Performance actually makes the trumpets for my intake manifold. So they're the ones, this company is the ones that sent us the care package. That's super, super freaking rad. So, super dope. Dirty ass car.